Swell naga ampmudis nigam sidlai. Wabegi guys, Paqtism. Paqtism. Wolf. Baby wants to get killed up
of modern day gray wolves. A gray wolf is
Grey wolf. Silioe amuksit. Paqtism.
really similar, 99.5% similar. Only dire wolves are larger, more muscular, and have these light colored coats and other things.
Wabeg na nega maken iskat kokto. Dulgulusit. Buktai wabeg.
And then we edited
Makidna na Paqtism
gray
na.
wolf cells to contain those dire wolf DNA
Wolves are
variants.
strong
And
animals.
then we cloned those cells and
Milky
created
got to
our
teach
own.
and they help each other. Well, an albano juk pisu na. That's his medication, iron pills, so pepto, antibiotic, a hydge, folic acid.
But we're not fertilizing them. Instead, we're
Yes,
taking
low
those
iron, no?
white egg cells and
Negum na
we're taking
bumbisun
out
na.
the genetic material that would have come from mom, and we're putting in a whole cell that has mom's and dad's genetic material. That's
Cool.
not edited.
Do show what we do show what no tip na baslabi jaw you guys wabe de Paqtism.
That resemble dire wolves.
Or at least
Close up tijiga. Well, I'm kick.
might have looked like.
Teens
They'll
say
just go
pups
see
now
Sheila.
just a few months old are healthy and doing well.
Keluk to de la de gejik.